Hello, everyone. This is Ron Gerber from Angelbeat. So glad you're joining me for our Google Virtual Summit. I've lined up 7 fantastic speakers. They're going to be talking about your digital transformation journey. We're going to be going through, and if you look at our agenda, talking about the 7 subjects that all tie together in a very logical fashion. Cloud platform strategy, security, application migration. We'll take a little break for lunch to give people a chance to go to the bathroom. We'll then switch gears and talking more about DevOps, serverless, stateless containers, and finish up with AI. Should be a fantastic program. The real intent here at Angelbeat is how do we make sure, even in a virtual way, we deliver information to help you succeed in your job and to also help your organization embrace digital transformation and accelerate their journey to the cloud. Just some quick background on Angelbeat. We're best known for doing our live events that we hope to do very quickly. Given COVID-19, we're repositioning ourselves to focus on these virtual summits. Again, this is a unique opportunity to hear from Google, obviously one of the world's dominant technology firms, or only become more relevant in everyone's life. So I think everyone owes it to him or herself to understand what Google is doing in the cloud so you can make informed decisions going forward. As in our live events or virtual events, I focus on 4 main areas: cloud, security, applications, and data. Everyone needs to focus their jobs or organizations around these 4 strategic areas. That's, again, the way you're going to be successful individually and as an organization. Remember, you can get all the details at angelbeat.com. You can find out about our additional programs. I will have all the slides and video excerpts available for you and your colleagues to view on demand. Just give me a day or 2 to pull this together. We will also encourage everyone to follow us on all the major social media platforms: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. We have a common hashtag, Angelbeat. That way, instead of pushing out emails to you, you can pull information from the social media sites and know when we're going to have future summits. Just a couple of things about logistics. Some people are concerned, rightly so, about Zoom. Most of the issues with Zoom centered around their meeting platform, which is distinct from the webinar platform that we're using today. The meeting platform historically allowed people just to randomly join if you knew the meeting ID. That's how you could get scenarios like Zoom bombing. What I've set up is the paid enterprise class webinar version. Everyone has to register. Then after registering with your email address, you then receive a unique registration link that allows you to sign in. That approach ensures that anyone just can't randomly sign up, so it is a safe and secure platform. I'll be monitoring the chat and the Q&A window. So if you have any questions during the program, maybe the audio isn't good, maybe you've got questions that we want to ask the speakers, they all know there are a lot of times. I'm going to try and allocate at least 5-7 minutes at the end to get your questions answered. At the same time, if we can't get to a question, I will make sure that I save it for the future. So in the next day or so, I'll give you questions. Or excuse me, I'll get answers to your questions. And of course, if you think about the subjects covered here and you have subsequent questions, make sure you contact me. You've got my cell phone, you've got my email address. I will absolutely make sure you get an answer within 1 or 2 business days. Finally, I just want to point out that we will be providing you with CPE, CEU credits. I have a generic form that you can use. You can then customize it for your own individual regulatory group. Remember, we have people literally around the world listening to this. So every regulatory or approval body has some slightly different parameters. I have a generic form. If you need it customized for your need, just let me know. I also want to point out that we have a number of great sponsors who are working with me to pull this program together. We're going to hear from them later today, either during lunch or at the end of the day, giving short, concise presentations on how their solutions work to enhance the Google Cloud Platform. We've got Nasuni, who specializes in your file architecture. NetApp has some great insights on their data fabric that can help you integrate on-prem with your cloud solutions. Cloud Health by VMware helps you manage your GCP configurations from a technical, from a financial, and overall administrative standpoint. Micro Focus is going to talk about how their IT operations management software can again enhance your Google Cloud platform. BitGlass offers a cloud access security broker solution that can help further enhance the security of your Google solutions. And finally, Fugue has some interesting insights on cloud misconfigurations, which are a key source of security vulnerability. And they will share with you insights on how to make sure that your environment, remember, Google can only do so much. There's a shared security responsibility model. Fugue will help you understand what you need to do from your end. Without any further ado, that is pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to ask Greg to now share his screen so we could turn it over to him, and he can share with you his insights on, again, why the Google Cloud Platform is different. I think this is a great strategic overview. People are aware of the two main cloud providers. Greg is based there in Seattle, so he knows Amazon and Microsoft well, having worked for them in the past. I'm always amazed when I hear that Google itself has 9 different platforms that supports over 1 billion users each. That's why Google has so much computing expertise, why they are going to merge, and there's going to be a big 3 in cloud computing. Let me turn it over to Greg, and I appreciate everyone's time at this Angelbeat Google Virtual Summit.